Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. I'm teaching myself microcontroller programming using this bit of kit called the E-blocks, and then I'm going through this 101 page curriculum called the Introduction to Microcontroller Programming. I think this is like lesson 17 now, or video 17. So it's 101 pages. I think I'm on page 76. I am yet. I'm going through if statements, aka called making decisions for some reason. And my last one was, I didn't manage to do this number 3 one. That was too hard. But in the last one, lesson 2 or part 2 of this programming exercise, we made it so that if I reset the microcontroller, when you press bit 0 here, it counts up. As you can see, it counting up there on the top in a byte to 255, and then counts down that way. Oh no, it was supposed to count down. Oh, it did it there. No, it didn't. It was supposed to count down, but then lesson 3 we broke it. So anyways, don't worry about that. So lesson 4, write a program that makes all 8 LEDs on port B flash on and off at a frequency of 1 Hz, taking 1 second for an on-off cycle. Okay. In addition, the LEDs flash faster if switch 0 is pressed and slower if switch 1 is pressed. Okay, that seems okay. I'm just gonna start a new project here because there'll be a. Let's save this as Flowcode 17. Oh, a bit laggy. But yeah, that took some time. All right, Flowcode 17. So we have a loop, and we are gonna say we want our output. So let's make these port B. I'm gonna write 255 to them. I'm gonna try to do something a bit cheeky. So I've got this additional board. I'm gonna try write to this board as well. This is port C. So this is let's just compile this. So this is an additional board. Look, little EBlocks add-on board, but they're never as simple as they seem. So to me, that's just 8 LEDs there. So I should just be able to write the same byte that I'm writing to here, write that to there, or 255 in this case. Okay, yeah, so it turned on. All right, that's fine. So yep. So we've turned on all these LEDs. We want it so that they flash on and off every 1 second. So how do you do that? Do you add a delay there for 1 second and then write to the output off? Is that the way you do that? I don't know. I wish this bloody thing had some sort of answers book. So here, write 255 to both ports, then write 0 to both ports, and just keep doing that. And then I think it's asking me to change so that when you press the push button, okay, it's not working. The LEDs are just staying on. Why are they just? Oh, okay, they're just staying on because there's no delay after we write to them, which that makes sense. So next up would be when I press bit 0 here, to then change the delay. I think, yeah, you press bit 0, change the delay to make it blink. Was it fast or slow? I don't know. And then when you press the other button, change the delay. So we're gonna use it. We'll use a delay variable actually. So that's blinking now every 1 second on and off, as you can see. So we want it so that if let's read the input of our push buttons. Oh no, there's no need. Do I have to read the input? Can I just say? So let's set my delay to a variable. So delay in milliseconds. I like milliseconds. Create global, call that an integer. Yep, there we go. Set my delay here as well. Milliseconds. All right. So now we want to say if, so use a decision. If can I just I can't select an input straight away, but can I just do if a0? No, it wants to create the variable. All right, that's fine. So let's let's define our inputs at the top here. So port, I guess I could just say if port A is equal to, yeah, instead of doing bits, I'm going to try and get a bit fancy here. So if port A is, read port A in, oh, do I have to read it into a variable? Do I have to read the input into a variable? I'd like to not do that. So can I just do port A is equal to 1? Ah, wait, did it wants, yeah, missing variable wants to define it. I would like to just let me just use the input. So on a Siemens PLC, you would just do %i. You don't have to define it as a variable. Port, okay, there we go. Port A. Oh, and I got pins. Ah, you just use the $sign. Nice. So if you have port A or bit 0, do that, and then same again. But this time, oh, look at that, very nice. A1. That's exactly, yes. I don't need that anymore. Get rid of that. So if that or if that, and then we'll change the delay. So we'll do calculation. So drag that calculation, and then we want our variable, which is delay milliseconds, and make that 500 milliseconds. Make that 500 like that, and make that 2000. So that's faster and slower. And then we just need to set the at the beginning. Do we want at the beginning? No, we're going to say otherwise set the delay to be equal to 1000, i.e. 1 second. 1000 milliseconds. That's lovely. All right, that works for me. I think that works. So if bit 0, then speed up the delay, shorten the delay, and then if bit 1, slow down the delay or increase the delay. Otherwise, keep it at 1000. So should just blink out 1 time a second. So that's a delay of 1 second. So I think this isn't quite accurate to what they were asking me for, but that's okay. So as you can see, if I press this one now, it should speed up the blinking. That hasn't done anything, has it? I let go. That did nothing. What about this one? Okay, that was a lot longer. So that worked. So holding down bit 1, that's really slow, isn't it? So 1 elephant, 1 elephant, 1 elephant. That's about a second. Okay, let's try it now. 1 elephant, 1 elephant. That's still a second. So why is that not working? So if A0, I know why. It's getting overwritten here. So it checks if that sets the delay to 500 milliseconds, and then gets written to. Sorry. It's checking here and writing 500 milliseconds there, but then it's getting overwritten to back to being 1000 there. How do I solve this? So if you have bit 0, I need a nested one. So how do I nest these? Again, I haven't been taught how to nest all these flow chart thingies. I assume it's like this. So does this make sense? If A0, then set that to 500 milliseconds. Okay, maybe that needs to be there. Oh, I don't know. If you have that, if you press bit 0, set it to 500 milliseconds. Let's delete this. And then if A1, set it to that. Otherwise, if these are both no, that. Does that need to be there or there? I don't know. No, that would overwrite it. There. Alright. I think that works. So we'll do my one elephant test again. So where are we at? Oh, it's still downloading. Yeah, man. All right, ready. So we're blinking. So press bit 0. Oh, that's much faster. Woohoo! One elephant. One elephant. It still seems like 1 second. One elephant. One elephant. One elephant. Oh, yeah, that's much slower. And then this should be really slow. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yep, I'm happy with that. So that works. That was a decent lesson. So again, you're not learning because they're just giving you tasks, and there's not much of a curriculum here. So I'm gonna plow on through. I don't really want to. I kind of do want to give up at this point. I'm pretty bored of it. But I am learning at the same time. I can't say I'm not learning. Like that was impressive. I enjoyed that. That was fun. So, all right, thanks for watching. Next lessons will be on making decisions again. Oh, it's just a continuation. The 1, 2. So I've done 4 tasks on that making decisions now. So now I'm going on to the next bit of making decisions, and that is 5, 6, 7, and 8. All on making decisions, all on if statements. So yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed my little flashy. I like this. This is cool. All right, nice one. Cheers. Bye bye.